Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Well, it's STIHL Concrete SAW. I don't know if it's a 400 or 430. I don't got any idea guys what it is. And it came with all the handle. I put this one a long time ago, I think. I just found it there somehow. Maybe I didn't sell it, something went wrong. Alright, remember guys, I'm doing this video for my base store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough. And the one sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, let's see what we got going on here. So far, it's missing mufflet. It's missing the recoil, the handle. We have at least a carburetor here, and if you store, I have this thing to accelerate from here. We're going to try to start it. He has a filter, he has the back, and this one too, and the one here. Remember, I take everything apart like that. I can show you more, okay? Well, enough is enough. Let's hit it. We're good there. All right. Remember, it's my handle, guys. Mío. My recoil. It's a beautiful day down here in Miami. Today it just rained a little bit. My God. Guys, I want to say thank you to all of you guys. Thank you for everything. You guys always supporting my store. Thank you. Alright, we got it. Alright. This is a spot plug came. We're going to put the doctor. Okay. Let me check if he has gas. Yep, he has gas. We're going to hit it here to see what's up. Alright, that's a good sign already. When you see it does that, carburetor, the chances are it's clean, guys. Look at that. If I don't listen to me, I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Alright, I think we got everything. We're going to shoot it. We're going to use this as acceleration. We're going to do a little of the, everybody do it, you know, a little. Alright, we have it right here. We're going to throw a little in the hard. It looks like I see it leaking. I don't know if it's, we're going to give it the shot. Right? Alright. Let me see if you're watching there, guys. Sorry about this. This thing is falling a little bit. We're fixing it right now as we speak. Alright. Okay. Gasoline went in. Let me check again. Maybe we got too much. We're gonna use the one before the doctor. Being with me was retired, but sometimes we bring it when the doctor gets a little flooded. We're gonna hit it again. Maybe it's the coil, the one is not working. Okay. Well, at least it was good the chance. I don't know if I'm right here since it's missing too much. That will be a choke. Let's try like that. Okay. I can see she wants to start. I don't think it's the coil, guys. I don't think it's the cord, I think it's something else. But I noticed right here like it's leaking a little bit over here, look. Maybe this is not tight the way it is, I don't know. Anyways, that's all for parts, guys. You have here a few stuff you can carry. Remember, this is mine, meal. The rest is yours. I think you can catch a few parts out of this machine. Remember, that's all for parts, for parts. You have it there, guys, for parts. Thank you. Hola, mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Hizo por arrancar. Yo estoy seguro que ya se manda. Lo que pasa es que vi que estaba tirando un poquito gasolina por esta parte de abajo. Bueno, recuérdense que esta maquinita es para piezas. Faltan muchas cositas, como están viendo. Lo único que tiene es el filtro y la tapita. De ahí para allá le falta la ladera. Esta es mía, recuérdense. Creo que la bobina sí está funcionando porque me pareció que hizo crácata como para prender. Ah, mira, se me había ido la de presión, ¿viste? Si lo hubiera empujado para abajo, lo más probable que era esto. Pero bueno, aquí está, para la parte, mi gente, para la parte. Gracias, cualquier cosita aquí estamos. Recuerden, si usted es nuevo en mi tienda, yo siempre enseño todo, trato de enseñar todo para ser lo más honesto posible. Gracias.